Hey team, I'm Maddie. Welcome to Science Side Up. And today we've got another episode of Discount STEM Toys. Today's discount STEM toy, not from the thrift store, is from the bargain bin at Michael's. So we have ourselves an underwater volcano. I'm very excited about this. This one is also ages 12 and up, so we'll see how that changes whether or not I rage quit this. One of the reasons I'm really excited about this is because I have been trying to find a good way to illustrate how volcanic islands form, because I've got all this really cool, I have all these really cool pictures from the Galapagos, which are, most of them are volcanic islands, and I've been wanting to do a video on how the Galapagos formed. So this might be, hopefully, if this isn't completely terrible, a good way to illustrate that. Okay. We have another poster. We have a poster all about, let's see, Vulcan? Oh, sorry, the backside is not in English, right? But underwater volcano poster. We're gonna have so many science posters. I'm gonna have to continue to redecorate the studio. I'm pretty excited about it. Yeah. All right, what else do we have? We have something that definitely looks like a volcano. Bam. Let's open this plastic up. See what happens. All right. This is, we've got a volcano. All right. If I put it there, you can't see it. Now you can see me and my volcano, or my half of a volcano. I'm intrigued. Let's see what we're supposed to do with this. Now the fizzing tablet is inside half of a volcano. More things. Bam. All right, box is empty now. Ugh. See, I learned my lesson. I don't throw the empty boxes at the camera anymore. All right, we've got the backing, and we've got the aquarium. Cool. Okay. Probably gonna have to go get some water here in a minute. All right, we've got our tape. So we're gonna tape this to the back side of the volcano. Yeah. Cool. I again contest the age restriction on this. If you're old enough to not eat a bath bomb, you're old enough to do this. There's not even anything sharp involved. When I was a kid, I built model rockets with my dad, right? Granted, there was some adult supervision, as much as I resented that fact. But I used sharp objects and explosions, controlled explosions in the engines, right? But when I was way younger, if I was told I had to wait until I was 12 to play with this, I would have been like, what children are you dealing with? All right. So, and something about me that probably tells you more about me than I really want to share, is that while I do not own like a pitcher to pour water in here, I do own an incomplete and deeply tarnished antique tea set. So this is full of water, and that's what we're going to use. I think this calls for the fez. And this definitely calls for the fez. I can't use a silver teapot without the fez. Luckily, I keep my ridiculous costume things just off camera. You can't even see the top of it, and my hair's all messed up again. Okay. Boop. All right, let's check our instructions for what we're supposed to do now. I don't know. I think my hat's gonna fall off. Let's find out. Okay. Prepare the aquarium. We did that. Okay, we're supposed to fill the aquarium approximately 3/4 of the way with room temperature water. Let's do that. I totally ruined the thing, but look, it's making a volcano. Ah! That's kind of cool, actually. Okay, that's it. That's the full extent of this underwater volcano. I'm giving up on the hat. I'm just gonna let the camera roll and let you guys keep watching this. Yeah, it was great. I hope you guys liked this video. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please hit that red button. So my goal for 2020 is to make it to 1,000 subscribers. Right now we're at 234. When we make it to 300 subscribers, I will give away to one lucky subscriber the remaining tar pit model. You can also rage quit building a tar pit model of your very own. So you have to be subscribed by the time I hit 300, then one random subscriber. I will get your information and I will mail you this. So I hope you guys are doing well in what is undoubtedly really frightening times. My best to you and your families. Please stay healthy and stay safe. I hope I can provide a little bit of entertainment, maybe a little bit of knowledge, so that we can, as a community, get through this together. You guys are wonderful. I will see you soon. And until next time, bye team.